Make no mistakes, he doesn't kill for sport. She kills to survive. And for the Black Widow, survival is an art. Yet, it's not just her bite that earned her infamy. It's what happens after the dance of death begins. When a male dares to approach her, he does so, knowing that the very act of mating could be his final moment. He trembles through the web, tapping a nervous rhythm, hoping to be accepted, not devoured. If he's lucky, he mates. If he's not, he becomes her next meal, because in her world, love is disposable, and survival always comes first. Still, she is not evil. She is not a monster. She is nature, pure and unfiltered. Designed by instinct, refined by time.